In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit black tone filters in Lightroom Mobile. Here are photos before and after I have applied these effects. You can download these images that I'm using down below in the description, and you can also download this preset down below in the description. But what you need a password. At the right top corner of your screen when you're watching this video, a password will appear there in two different sections, which you're going to require when you are downloading the preset. So let's start editing. First, jump into light, and the light exposure, take it to 50. Contrast, take it to 60. Highlight, I'm going to take it to 20. Shadow, I'm going to take it to -10. Whites, I'm going to take it to -100. And finally black, I'm going to take it to 40. Then next, click into curve, then adjust it this way. When you're done, click done. Let's see before and after. Next, you're going to jump into colors. Click on colors. Under colors, vibrance, take it to -26. Saturation, also take it to -30. Let's see before and after. After that, click on Mix tab. Under red, saturation, take it to 16. Luminous, take it to -10. Click on orange. Hue, take it to -10. Saturation, take it to 10. After that, click on yellow. Hue, take it to -100. Saturation, take it to -100. After that, click on green. Saturation, take it to 100. Click on ochre. Under ochre, hue, take it to 100. Saturation to -100. Then blue, purple and pochetta, saturation, take it to -100. When you're done, click on done, and then let's see before and after. After that, click on gradient tab. Under gradient tab, the first circle represents shadow. Under shadow, click on the dropper to reveal manual adjustment and adjust luminous to 48. When you're done blending, take it to 90. And balance, take it to -41. After that, click on the second circle which represents mid-tone and luminance, take it to 100. When you're done, click on highlights, and the highlights luminance, take it to 30. After that, scroll down and then select the fourth circle at the top, which represent global, and the global, take luminance to 100. Let's see before and after. After that, click on Effects tab. Texture, take it to 26. Clarity also, take it to 26. Dehaze, take it to 10. Vignette, take it to -42. Midtone, take it to 34. Feather, take it to 100. And roundness, take it to -6. Click on Details tab. Sharpness, take it to 9. Radius, take it to 2.70. Masking to 100. Noise reduction to 76. Details to 80. And color noise reduction to 96. Let's see before and after. Now let's test this preset and see if it really works. And this is our final result. If you enjoy more content about photo editing, videography and cinematography, I have a ton of videos about that topic on my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content just like this one. Leave it down below on the next video that you want me to create. Give this video a thumbs up and let's continue creating as I simplify your creation. My name is Brisley.